Using text network analysis, you can compare two different texts together. I'm going to show you how it works. This graph is a visualization of Trump's inauguration speech in 2017. I will compare it to the inauguration speech of Obama in 2013, which is displayed here. First of all, we can look at the topics that are present in these two texts. So, for example, in Obama's speech, the main, most prominent topic was American people, freedom, America, make nation free. And in Trump's speech, the main terms were America, country, great, power transfer. We can also see which context it's been used at, and he's talking about the power transfer from Obama, and American worker industry. So as we can see, the focus on freedom is much less in Trump's speech. It's much more on the transfer of power, on making America great, on workers and industry. Another interesting feature we have here is the capacity to compare two different graphs together. So I click on this button here, compare to context, then choose the context I want to compare it to. And here I have a visualization of both speeches as a graph. And the black dots here are the words that were present in Trump's speech, so that were present in the first graph, but not in the second one, not in Obama's speech. So we can see that these words are wealth. We can remove it, so we can see what other words are used. So it's wealth, protected, factory, and city. So as we can see, Trump focuses much more on wealth and on protection than Obama. One other interesting feature we have is that we can also see where the applauses were made during the speeches. Here I added it into the list of stop words, so I'm going to remove it. And then go back to the speech of Trump. And we can see here that applause was used when he said, American country, America people today. All right. Now if we go to Obama's speech, we will see that applause was used next to mostly the same words that we also add here, generation and believe. So it kind of gives you an idea what the audience reacted to most in Obama's speech in relation to the speech of Trump. The same way we compare Trump's speech to Obama's speech, we can also compare Obama's speech to Trump's speech. In order to do this, we click on this button here and then go to the speech of Trump, open it, and we can see a graph that visualizes both of those speeches at the same time. The black nodes or the words are the ones that are used in Obama's speech but not in Trump's speech. These are require, generation, creed, and equal. So these are the most influential words in Obama's speech that were not used in Trump. As we can see, he's talking much more about generation, the creed, and equality.